This is an old suitcase. I've used it a few times. What do you use a suitcase for? If you're going on a trip, you use it to take things that you're going to need. I'm going on vacation. Maybe I'm going to take a change of clothes, a toothpaste, a toothbrush, maybe a snack. This is a physical suitcase, a real one. And when I load it up, it can get very heavy. I really feel how much I've put in there. Things that I've brought along with me. I like books. I might throw in some books. I like rocks. I might throw in some rocks. I like my daughter. No, I'm not gonna put my daughter in the suitcase. Seriously though, things get heavy. The same thing happens inside your head. You walk into a situation and you bring things with you. On your best days, you bring things that you need. You bring your previous knowledge, experience that you have with situations that will help you in this one, things you've learned, ideas you have, and a curiosity to learn things that you don't already know. I'm not talking just about classes here. This is life. This is real life. This is any situation. But life gets in the way. I know that. Some days you walk into class with a suitcase full from the weekend. All the good things that you're still excited about, and all the bad things that you're still upset about. It makes it really hard to focus on what you're trying to do. You might walk into class still carrying that argument you had with your mom in your head. You might still be upset about what happened at breakfast. What happened yesterday at school? Did you see something on social media that threw you off? We're constantly being bombarded by different things, experiences, and events that push things into our head. Someone's nasty attitude can be contagious. You didn't come here wanting to be in a bad mood, but something happened on the way. Maybe you didn't have control over what happened to you, but you do have some control over what happens next. When you get to the situation, unpack. Unpack. Think about what you're carrying with you, the good and the bad. It might surprise you. Check inside your bag. See what you've got packed. Do you have some curiosity? That's a good thing. Do you have some past experiences that will help you in this situation? That's also a good thing. Oh, are you keeping your humility? That sense of knowing that there's still things that you need to know that you don't already know. Are you bringing your knowledge and experience that's going to help you with this situation? Those are all things that you want packed in there. The bad is really anything else. The bad things, you don't want them in there. They're weighing you down. Oh my goodness, how heavy is this? Pull out the bad things before you enter that situation. Pull out the things that are weighing you down. Pull out the things that you don't need. Leave it outside. Clear your head. What happened 2 hours ago is not helpful in this situation. Leave it. What hurt you 2 months ago is not helpful right now. Worries about what you'll experience in the future are also not helpful. Stay present. Stay with it. Stay with the moment you are in. Bring with you what you need. Leave the rest outside. Unpack. So now I'm going to walk you through a little mindfulness. You can close your eyes or you can keep them open, but you're going to be visualizing that unpacking that I've been talking about. Unpack. Be present. Unpack from the last hour, the last period. Whatever has happened has already been. It may have pleased you, it may have bothered you, it may have angered you, but it's over. Now you're moving on. Unpack this morning, last night, last week, last month, last year, 4th grade? Do you have things packed for the future? Do you need it now, or is it weighing you down? Part of this is evaluating what you need and you don't need right now. Part of this is just being aware of what's shaping your behavior and your mood. If you are upset about something that has already happened, you're living in the past. If you're upset about something that hasn't happened yet, you're living in the future. Live now. Live in the present. Put your energy into what you're doing now. Unpack.